Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reopen the browser tabs that you closed by accident. So here you can see I currently opened 3 tabs in my Google Chrome browser. Now I'm going to close the Chrome browser. When I reopen the browser, you can see there is no tabs. So to reopen those tabs, press Ctrl Shift and T. Now you can see the browser tabs are successfully restored. And if you don't want to use the keyboard, there is also another way to restore the recently closed tabs. For that, first of all, click on the 3 dots which you can see in the upper right corner. Then move your mouse cursor to History. From here you can see 3 tabs under Recently Closed option. Here you can see the Restore window option. Just click on it. And now the tabs are reopened. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next video.